So I've been riding the last month or so on the new bike with the new handlebars and all that kind of stuff. And all's been good, except I've been getting some pretty good mid-lower back issues. And I have a feeling that even with the new bars where they are right now, I can't pull them back far enough. So I have a backrest. And if I really want to get on the backrest to rest, I'm like barely have my fingers on the handlebars. So that's not great. So I was like, well, I can't extend my handlebars because you can't unless you buy bars that can do that, or you have to buy new bars, which would cost me, $500 for new bars, and then I don't know, $300 to $400 to have them installed, and I'm not down with that. So I was trying to figure out, instead of bringing my bars back an inch or so, is there a way to get my backrest forward an inch or so? Because really, that's all I need, is to not be able to lean back quite as much. So I went online and I was trying to figure out if something would work. Now, I don't know if this is going to work or not, but I figured I'd take you guys along with me for the journey. And this is the Kuryakyn $52.99 motorcycle travel luggage accessory. Removable seat, backrest pad, multi-fit for sissy bars, momentum bags, etc., etc. It's got like 500 reviews. It's got 4.5 stars. And if you look at the picture, that's it right there. It has a bunch of ways it looks like that it can mount onto whatever. So there's all these straps, right? So that you strap it onto your existing bar, or you can strap it onto a bag, or you can do with it as you choose. Who really cares, right? Anyways, this is it here. I have it down. It just arrived. So there it is, right? Kuryakyn. I'm hoping this is gonna do the trick. So I'm gonna take it out again on a ride, and you will see that in a future video. I'm gonna make sure I keep all this handy just in case Amazon's gonna get it back. Now, what I do like about this is that it's got some thickness to it, right? I was like, I sure hope that's gonna be fairly thick, and it is fairly thick. And you got some straps. How do these straps go on? Not 100% sure, but I'm going to take it outside right now, and we're going to take a look. So you guys don't need to necessarily watch me install it, because honestly, I'm pretty sure you just take all these straps off and then you restrap them, and we'll see how well that fits. Yeah. All right, let's head outside and see if this was a somewhat of a good $61 investment. All right, hopefully you can see there's the backrest on the bike right now, and it's good. It has a little bit of a lean toward the back. It doesn't have the ability really to tilt much forward. It's kind of as tilted as it's getting, as far as I can tell. But the nice thing about this is because this backrest has this flip, I should be able to run all the Velcro behind there and then kind of just hide it. But if I can get that head, oh yes, that's going to be fantastic, I think. I don't know for sure. Let's install it and see how it feels. Okay, so first off, it doesn't quite fit with the straps, because I'm going to have to get some Velcro that I can put behind here that the straps can mount to it, or like a Velcro, like double-sided Velcro or something like that. Then I can get the straps to actually fit, because they won't go around the whole seat as of yet. But the question is if it's at least there, is that going to feel better? So let's get on and see if it pushes me ahead enough. Okay, so that's it. That's the stuff. See back there? See it? It allows me to get so much closer to my control. So even when I'm fully extended, you guys can see, there's still like a bit of a bend in my arm, which is great. So I think this may be the answer. So all I got to do now is find either like a decent sized double-sided piece of Velcro that I can stick to the back of the other seat. And that should be easy to find. I can find that on Amazon or find that wherever. And then I just can latch those Velcro straps on take it on and off whenever I don't need it. And it's cushy. I'm going to say it. It's cushy. And because you can kind of adjust it up and down a little bit, you can get it under your lumbar, or you can like mount it up a little bit higher so that it's up closer to your mid back. Yeah, I think that was a good purchase. I think that's gonna help my back. Now what I need to do is go for a long ride. So there will be a follow-up video. I'm gonna take this out for a ride sometime this week, within my return policy, and we'll see what we think at that point. Stay tuned.